Products today have more style and complexity than ever, but turning design ideas into functional CAD models can be difficult with traditional modeling tools. 3D Sculptor takes a simpler, free-form approach that unlocks endless design possibilities, offering subdivision modeling from a browser on any connected device. Let's see how Dan Designer leverages the xShape app in 3D Sculptor to complete a sleek and stylish exterior for the latest C-scooter design. Dan's new component starts with a few reference images. Subdivision modeling begins with a primitive shape or surface that can be scaled uniformly or with a bounding box at any point in the design. Push, pull, scale, and rotate the sub-D elements with the on-screen manipulator to sculpt any shape imaginable. Add or remove edges or subdivide faces for more localized control. Curvature continuity is maintained throughout, but if sharp edges are needed, add a crease and make adjustments on the fly. Pop-up notifications and built-in task management make it easy to collaborate on design projects. Teammates can add comments, share models, and track each other's progress, all within the design workspace. Align sub-D elements to sketches or model geometry from other components and achieve a high level of precision with numeric inputs. Turn on symmetry to automatically mirror changes. Add more material with the extrude command, or insert an entirely new sub-D body. Make irregular selections with the lasso tool and align sub-D elements to a curve that can be drawn right on screen. Sometimes manipulating a sub-D body causes surfaces to intersect. The Mesh Inspection tool isolates these issues, and the Cage view makes it easy to refine the problematic areas. The Net Surface command is perfect for creating sub-D surfaces based on sketches and curves already set up in the model. Parameters of the new surface can be adjusted before sculpting it into shape. Turn on the working zone to isolate specific areas of the active sub-D body or surface. Multiple sub-D bodies can be combined into a master model and split up into individual components for manufacturing. Handing off the design is as easy as dragging the updated model onto the task and moving it to complete. Adding manufacturing details can be done in XDesign or Solidworks Desktop, so designers can always work in their app of choice. As the design of the C-scooter continues to evolve, make a new revision with built-in data management, or create a branch when it's time to explore an entirely new concept. 3D Sculptor's freeform environment allows you to create complex shapes and surfaces more easily than ever. Collaborate with teammates to take your designs from concept to production, all from a browser, on any connected device. How will you unlock endless design possibilities with 3DEXPERIENCE?